swap his position on the second half of the order. That's one of English. He's Federic. Shifting into some space. Gets it back from Ferdinand. Lago clears. Bertrand. One back by Gerard Martin. Bringing it up. Bringing out to Rafinha. It's back from Koundé. Still Rafinha. The shot to the. He gets a strength runs to Gerard Martin, but he slices the shot and it's gone out for a goal kick. Hello, traders. I'm happy that everyone's here. And today we're just going to be going through setting up your trading terminal. This is basically my newly installed MetaTrader platform with basically my daily charts on the dollar index. And so basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is number one, I'm firstly going to just, okay, let me just minimize this section of this. Okay, yeah, good. I want to be able to see, okay, my screen is not being shared now. That's a big problem. Okay, here's my screen. Okay, my screen is now being shared again. Okay, this is going to be a problem, but for some reason, okay, doesn't matter. Let's continue. It's in the past. Okay, so now we're just going to be looking at basically this is your trading platform. I normally work with a black and white chart, so I can just come to properties, and that's where you can start setting up. You see on me, it's I normally just go color on white, and then I change like where it's red, I change it to the black. Basically, that's how I set up my chart, and everything that is red, I turn it to black basically, and then my grid. Because I love the grid, I just turn it to a dark sea green. Okay, I'm coming now. I just got someone at the door. Okay, so basically, as you can see, just by changing a few parameters on how you set up your chart, basically, you get a much clearer perspective. I don't like the green. I like it to be like a grayish, a light grayish, like a dark gray. That should be fine as well. So you see, already I got my blocks. I've got a grid I can work with, and what structures I can see. Because what the grid does, it gives you like a range, like if I go maybe to the monthly time frame, it's just that I want to see how much price action we have available before we can start our analysis. So basically, we see here what the grid did for us. It gave us an impulsive move, so we can get a trend line here where we can plot our two impulse structure, and then also here. Okay, normally I wouldn't use this kind of channel, but it works. And just to prove it, I'm just gonna simplify it and just use it here. So you see, we've got like corrective structure, it's impulse, corrective structure, impulse, and then now we've got an impulse corrective structure, and then we've got another impulse to the downside. So also here, this is something we need to be cognitively aware of. We have this move here. You see that? And now as we go down to these lower time frames, we can see here that the market is likely gonna come. Okay, let's insert some lines. Okay, we can see that the market is likely gonna come somewhere here. Minimum, let's say minimum here. Okay, and then from there we come down one time frame lower, and then after coming one time frame lower, we can see that okay, we've got some more price action in terms of what the market was doing. You see what market did there, and then the market is coming lower, and you can see that this wave is getting very strong and very bearish. You see here, like for example, here we had a bit of a structure forming, but here we have very small structures and the wave is moving much faster. So it could be a wave 3, and remember this is the reversal from the high. So this wave is most likely a big wave coming to the downside. So we're most likely going to be selling all the way down because we've created a major corrective structure here. So here I would be going for correction, more sell, correction, more sell. I wouldn't be buying this market for any reason. So anything dollar, we are selling the dollar because we can see that the dollar index is just bearish on the weekly time frame. Remember, we're still on the weekly time frame. And as we come down, we come to the daily time frame. As you can see here on the daily time frame, we still got that very bullish trend. And within that bullish trend, within that bearish trend, we're developing some other bearish trends as well. So this market is still going to be trending to the downside. We're just going to be looking for some significant pullbacks and structures, and then we're going to be looking to trade downward. So for me, my direction is sell. Sell at these levels, sell, sell. That's my direction. And then, guys, yeah, that's Peeps DJ Forex for you. See you guys on the other side. If you want more insights like these, it's easy. If you're in a developing country, it's only 200 rand a month, and to convert that to dollars, it comes to about $50 a month. That's what you get if you are a international client. But for the domestic South African regions, it's 200 rand a month, and for international customers, it's going to be in dollars, and it's going to be $50 because we're celebrating our 4th year anniversary this year. So it's 4 years of Pips DJ Forex. So we're giving you a 50% discount. Normally you'd pay $100 per month. So guys, if you like the service, yeah, come and just tune in and subscribe. And yeah, guys, this is what I'm doing for now. I'm just updating my terminals, and I'm also just setting up my trading charts. So looking forward to the new trading week, and have a good one, and best of luck all the way from Pips DJ Forex Crafting. All the best. We're still keeping it simple. We're just trading the waves as they come. Technical wave analysis is where we are. Bring it in. Let's do this. Thank you so much. See you on the other side.